Hello, teacher Diana. My name is Yesenia Andrea Pulgarin Cuervo. Today, I will explain the presentation of my classroom project. Strengthening on English communication skills. This is to strengthen linguistic and grammatical skills and enrich vocabulary through time simulation effects in 9 and 10 grade students. Result questions. Through the test, evaluate to advance the knowledge in English in the training. General and specific objectives. Number 1. General objectives. Explain the development of linguistic competence and identify everyday aspects for short sentence. Number 2. Specific objectives. Reinforce as much vocabulary as possible to have a better understanding in the text. Identify the different verbs, tense, applying their respective grammatical roles, ups the level of skill to communicate it efficiently at the grammatical level and use of a language. Result time is qualitative. The methodology is through the test such as IFES. To evaluate to advance, they are article with the English to strengthen grammatical and linguistic skills and enrich vocabulary. This idiom was born due to the contents of the Educational Institute Sister Maria Juliana. Before the English area assigned the intensity timetable is very low and the student knowledge of the language is very pure. This is my showing for the application of the project. Start day, August 22 day, 2022, days, Monday, Tuesday, and Friday. The Monday explanation of the tense, the Tuesday expand vocabulary, and the Friday speaking practice. The date October 25, the 2022. Evaluation 12 IFAS type simulation. Bibliographical reference of author working on the project. This is my photographical evidence, the project. Teacher, thank you so much for your attention and for your class. God bless you.